Your DNA is not fixed, and fasting proves it. Scientists are stunned, but the Quran revealed it centuries ago. What if I told you that fasting, something millions of Muslims practice every year, can change your very DNA? Not just your weight, not just your mind, but the very code that makes you you. This isn't just a theory. Science has caught up to what the Quran has hinted at for over 1400 years. And the shocking truth, even most Muslims have never heard about it. But today, you're going to see something that changes the way you think about fasting. Forever. Stay with me till the end, because what you're about to hear might just change your life. Fasting isn't just about staying hungry. It's a biological switch, a powerful command to your body, and most importantly, it has effects on your very DNA. Modern scientists are discovering something extraordinary. Fasting doesn't just affect your weight or your energy levels. It sends signals that rewrite your genetic code, activating hidden strengths, repairing damage, and even reversing aging. Now here's where it gets even more mind-blowing. The Quran mentioned the benefits of fasting in ways that line up shockingly well with what scientists are just now realizing. Is it possible that this knowledge was given to us centuries before modern research even existed? Keep watching, because by the end of this video, you'll see how fasting has been shaping human biology in ways we're only beginning to understand. So, let's get straight to it. Scientists have discovered something called epigenetics. It's a fancy word, but here's what it means. Your DNA isn't fixed. It responds to your environment, your diet, even your emotions. And fasting, it flips certain genetic switches on and off, changing how your body functions at a cellular level. Here's a shocking example. When you fast, your body starts producing something called SIRT1, a gene linked to longevity and cellular repair. Studies show that fasting can activate genes that fight disease, repair damaged cells, and even slow down aging. And here's where it gets wild. The Quran has a verse that many scholars say hints at this process, and that you fast, it is better for you if only you knew. Quran 2:184. If only you knew. But now we do know. Science is proving that fasting is more than a spiritual act. It's a biological reset button for the human body. If changing your DNA wasn't enough, fasting also transforms your brain. Scientists have found that fasting triggers the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. Think of this as a fertilizer for your brain cells. More BDNF means better memory, sharper thinking, and even protection against diseases like Alzheimer's. Here's where it gets really interesting. The Quran frequently speaks about fasting in connection with heightened awareness, patience, and self-control. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, even said, and now, science backs this up. When you fast, your brain enters a powerful state of protection and growth, literally rewiring itself for better cognitive function. If your mind feels sharper in Ramadan, there's a real reason for that. Your body is not just surviving fasting, it's thriving because of it. Now, let's talk about something so incredible that the scientist who discovered it won a Nobel Prize. It's called autophagy, and it happens when your body starts eating its own damaged cells, literally recycling them into fresh, healthy ones. Fasting triggers autophagy like nothing else. It's your body's way of cleaning out weak, diseased cells and making room for new, stronger ones. It's like hitting the refresh button on your entire system. But wait, Because there's something even more astonishing. The Quran refers to purification and renewal in fasting. O you who believe, fasting has been prescribed upon you as it was prescribed upon those before you, so that you may attain taqwa. Quran 2:183. Taqwa is often translated as God consciousness, but some scholars say it also implies purification. And what does fasting do? It purifies your mind, your spirit, and, as we now know, even your cells. Here's something that almost nobody is talking about. What if fasting didn't just change you, but your future children and grandchildren? Remember epigenetics? Scientists have found that fasting can affect the genes you pass down. Meaning, when you fast, you may be making your future generations healthier, stronger, and even more resistant to disease. The Quran repeatedly speaks about the importance of thinking beyond just ourselves, about the impact of our actions on future generations. Could it be that fasting was always meant to be a gift, not just for us, but for those who come after us? Here's something remarkable. Fasting doesn't just cleanse your body, it strengthens your immune system. Scientists have found that prolonged fasting triggers stem cell regeneration, helping to rebuild your immune system from the ground up. During fasting, old immune cells die and your body replaces them with fresh, stronger ones. This is why many people experience fewer illnesses and faster recovery when they fast regularly. The Quran mentions fasting as a way of increasing spiritual and physical resilience. Could it be that this practice was designed to keep our bodies strong and resistant to disease? Ever noticed how your thoughts feel clearer while fasting? It's not just psychological. Fasting reduces inflammation in the brain, leading to increased mental clarity, emotional balance, and a heightened sense of awareness. Many spiritual traditions, including Islam, emphasize fasting as a means to gain insight and wisdom. Could this heightened mental state be one of the reasons fasting is repeatedly emphasized in the Quran? One of the most exciting discoveries about fasting is its link to longevity. Research shows that fasting activates genes associated with longevity and slows down the aging process at a cellular level. The Quran describes fasting as something beneficial beyond what we understand. Is it possible that this ancient practice was always meant to be a key to a longer, healthier life?